This is Scott Becker with the Becker Private Equity and Business Podcast. We try and come to you daily with short business episodes, short private equity episodes. We try to make sure you're learning something and also getting, having some fun as well. These are short, concise episodes. Today's discussions: Apollo Capital, Abercrombie and Fitch, and finally the Entrepreneur's Edge. So here's three of the stories we're following today, and there's a lot more out there. First, Apollo Global Management, up 24% year to date. It's one of the three or four largest private equity fund families in the world. It just committed to another billion-dollar investment in a joint venture with British Petroleum. It's amazing to me to watch the big private equity funds, the Blackstones, the KKRs, the Apollos, and a lot more, really starting to get back to allocating capital. I know that they feel they have to for a whole bunch of reasons, but it is absolutely fascinating for me to watch how quickly that is happening. The second story we're following today, Abercrombie and Fitch. And this to me is fascinating. Down another 5% today. It just goes to show sort of like how challenging it is to stay the player in retail. Abercrombie and Fitch. Now the flip side is they're up 52% year to date, which is something I would have never seen coming. My kids are out of the age where they shop at Abercrombie and Fitch. Not that they ever really spent a lot of time there anyways. I'm well past that age where it's even appropriate to look at an Abercrombie and Fitch and not be thought of as leering or inappropriate. But amazing to see them down 5% today, but up 52% year to date. Third, the fascinating thing on a documentary, I think that's on Netflix, about Brandy Melville called Brandy Hellville. I'm not sure if it's on Netflix. I saw it in the airport, but about what a fascinating sleaziness of a company and leadership that ended up being. Just simply fascinating to watch. Finally, fourth, we've got the Entrepreneur's Edge, our book coming out this week. It's pre-launch sale on Amazon for 99 cents a copy on the Kindle, but you can also buy the hardcover. You can also buy the paperback. If you're the first person to text Scott Becker today, 773-766-5322, I'll send you a free copy of the hard copy book, The Entrepreneur's Edge. Again, thank you for listening. Again, Apollo still continue to do great and put money to work. Abercrombie and Fitch down today, but up 53% year to date. Brandy Melville, watch this documentary, at least part of it, called Brandy Hellville. Again, fascinating to see that company, what happened with it. And finally, The Entrepreneur's Edge comes out this week. Again, this is not going to be the greatest book of all time. This is not going to be Milton Friedman or Good to Great or anything of the sort. But we hope you enjoyed it. It's a short, easy read on business. 773-766-5322. If you're the first person to text me, we'll send you a free copy. Our producer, I'm going to send a free copy to anyway, so you don't have to text me. Thank you so much for listening to us on the Becker Private Equity Business Podcast. Always a pleasure to visit. Thank you very much.